Hi, my name is Han. I work in Canadian North as an aircraft maintenance engineer. Line maintenance may happen behind the scenes, but it plays a critical role in aviation safety. Well, we have a daily inspection, which is always happening. We make sure the aircraft is safe before it carries passengers to their destination. We troubleshoot the problems and then we fix it right away because it has to fly the next day. In South Korea, it's a little bit different than living in Canada because we don't get to see a lot of airplanes and then not much things that you can experience anything related to aviation. For me, International Women's Day reminds me how far women have come, especially in technical fields. Be brave enough to step into rooms where you might be the only woman. It's a day to celebrate progress and also to encourage the next generation. Your skills and hard work matters more than anything else. So you don't have to be perfect to start, just be willing to learn and grow. Definitely stick with aviation for my life. It is really important that you find yourself working in some places where you belong to, and then once you enjoy to do it, then keep moving forward, I guess.